Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mrs. Sumba, and in case you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So guys, as you can see, I look so puffy because I'm just waking up right now. I was here preparing tea. Yeah, I'm at home. I'm in the village, so you can guess the background the way it looks. I'm going to show you a day in my life in the village. So before we took breakfast, I went to remove the beans outside. Okay, these beans ni za kukausha, like you take them outside, they get dry, then after they are dry, they are being heated, like unazigonga gonga to remove the beans itself, ama zinatoanishwa beans. So when they are dry, it's easier for you to do, like to remove it, to separate it from the uchafu that is. Yeah, so first of all, you dry the things zenye zilikuwa zinafaa kudryiwa. That's what I woke up to do in the morning. Then after that, we went direct to take breakfast, and my mom was helping my baby feed. Yeah, so me on the other side with my younger sister, we were preparing the table. So we are eating this big bread because now, like, tuko wengi. Okay, you can't see everyone here because some people are in the farm. Now this is my baby helping my sister feed. Yeah, because my sister always gives her food, so she's returning the favor. Yeah, so they eat like that. And I was recording them. I was like, oh wow, they were really having a good time. And now it was time for my sister to return the favor, now to feed her back. So she was taking bread and milk and rice and dengu, but then home, guys, home people eat, like home tunakulanga, like unakula vitu mob. So my dad was already back from the lake. Alikuwa ameenda kuleta fish, so he brought all these fish. Some of them I was carrying them to go to Nairobi. And that's our unfinished kitchen. And then that's me wanting to wash sufurias. You see that those sufurias, the way they are clean. Yeah, that's how clean my mom is, guys. Yeah, so I was here trying to wash the dishes. There were so many, but I really love washing dishes. Even nikiwa mdogo, that was a job that I used to do bila stress, like kuosha vyombo, like kusugua masufuria, blah blah blah. Like I love clean sufurias. So that's in the blood. And also I'm really grateful that anytime naenda home napata kama mama pia anasugua masufuria zake, like hakuna siku hadi nimeenda home ati nikapata sufuria zake ni chafu. They're always clean. She's always using stillware kusugua masufuria. And makiu, they're using kuni kupika. Sometimes it's kuni, sometimes they use gas, and also sometimes wanatumia jiko. So ukipata kama sufuria kama hizo zenye zinatumika kwa moto, kwa meko, I don't know how you call them, moto outside, but ukipata masufuria kama hizo, like they're being clean like ndani similar na venye hizo masufuria zilikuwa sparkling hapo mbeleni. Yeah, like ukipata kazi ziko safi hivyo maze, someone is doing a good job, and my mom is really doing a good job. And at home mavyombo ni mob, so you have to rinse them with a lot of water. Yeah. So after that, there was some omena that brought. I was carrying some to Nairobi, and also some were also remaining for them, like ya kukula with the fish. So we were preparing them. These omena, they are very okay. Niseme aje, ni baridi. Like Luos can understand better. I don't know how to explain, but they are from the lake, so they're still wet. They look like the bichi, the fish bichi. Yeah, so they were a lot. It was a lot because when I come with these omena in Nairobi, I have to gather some of my friends. The omena, you see the way they are clean and beautiful. So hizi zitakuwa deep fried, of which I'll show you how we will deep fry the fish, because I didn't record how we deep fried the omena. But they're being deep fried the way you deep fry the fish. So there's no big difference on how, like, mtu anazi deep fry. But then omena haitaki moto mingi. So these are the fish. You see the way they are clean. So my mom helped me cleaning the fish and also slicing them on the sides. Yeah. So it was time for lunch. Yeah. I was preparing things, mavitungu, nyanya, to go cook lunch with the help of my younger sister. Actually guys, niwaambie like kwetu kunanga hizo mambo na kucompete sijui yanga na nani anafanya nini. I've never seen that bullshit at our home, like ever since tukue wakubwa, because like when people are adults, working is so difficult. Everyone feels entitled and it's so difficult to work. Like some people unapata watu wanaishi Nairobi, they can't go kupika and stuff, but with us at home it's really different, and I'm always grateful for that. I'm really always grateful. Alafu my younger sisters, they are both in college. One is in college, the other one is in uni. Like awasumbuangi, like you would wake up in the morning upate kama watu wamechapa kazi. Plus also my mom also ni mtu mwenye tu ako hardworking, so that was me, wife material, cooking ugali. Hey, thank God someone has already wifed me. But yo, you see that ugali? That's a ugali for almost 10 people. Imagine naishi Nairobi, alafu niende nipike ugali kama hiyo ushago. So yeah, already tulikuwa tushapika fish yenye tunaenda kukula lunch, ilikuwa hapo kando kwa jiko. So that's me cooking, but my baby is really disturbing me, like akotu hapa here and there. She doesn't want to leave me alone. So I was dishing the ugali in the hot pot for those people who are at the farm, ndo wakikuja wapate kama already ni moto. Yeah, so this is the oil. Okay, this is second round. Tuna deep fry fish ya second round. Yeah, this is now fish yenye nitaenda nayo. The one that we are eating nilisha kwa nime deep fry, but I wanted to finish this job before like niende nikule, because after eating I'll be lazy na maybe hata moto itakuwa imezima. So I didn't want to like hustle my time a lot. Niende kwa nyumba kwanza ndo nirudi, you get. So we deep fried the fish. Actually the fish was so sweet. Acha niwaambie guys, you see this fish from the lake, they are so sweet. So anytime I go home, my dad has to go bring me fish. Yeah, he does me the courtesy of bringing me fish. Yeah, lazima niletewe fish, mimi ni baby girl. And guys, unaweza ona hiyo moto, hiyo hata gas haifiki. Like I love cooking kwa moto, despite the fact that na kufanga uko na moshi, like most of the time na washwa macho sijui nini, but it's really quick kupika kwa moto than kupika kwa jiko ama meko, ama kwa jiko ama gas. Yes, so that was us preparing the fish, as in deep frying the fish. So unaona hizi fish uki deep fry. Actually I was traveling the next day, so hizi fish zingetaka deep fry iwe zikauke, like okay, not kukauka, like zi cool. Yeah, zikuwe baridi. So they were going to sleep on our kitchen surface overnight, because I'm traveling the next day. So you see, like lazima kwa nitengeneze before. I was to travel this same day, but then sijui what happened. I just wanted to sleep home. Like guys, ukishafika home au feeling hata kutoka home, like kuna tu venye tu mtu usiki kutoka home. That's me. Like I just look for excuses. Actually I was supposed to like travel a day before this day, and I looked for someone to work on my behalf so that I can extend a little bit, because home life is so sweet. You don't have stress at sijui maji unatumia mingi, sijui unatumia moto mingi, sijui nini. But in Nairobi life is so stressing. Like una tamani, if you're using water you're using it kidogo. If you're using gas you're scared inaweza isha. If you're using I don't know what, like kila kitu tu Nairobi is limited. Like not even Nairobi alone, like people who are staying in towns, everything is always limited. So this is us warming the food that we're going to eat. Hii ndio sasa fish yetu tulikuwa tunaenda kukula sasa. Yeah, so I plate the fish. Inaitwa kuplate ama inaitwa nini? Yeah, na tukakula lunch. So in the evening, so I didn't watch the vyombos in the evening, that's why I never recorded. So this is us in the evening. I went to see my project. I had a project, so my mom took me and my sister. That's my elder sister there. So she's still disturbing the camera person that she wants pictures of herself, and we had to respect big sister's opinions. Yes, and that's me, guys. That's me. Vukai mto the river was so heavy, like, okay, sijui hadi nisemaje, it was the water was so pushy. Is it, I don't know, like it, sijui, but I was passing with my baby at the back. Actually, my mom requested me to give her the baby, but na feeling like my baby is always safe in my hands. Hata nikiwa like anywhere, I just feel like my baby is safe in my hands. Kama ni mbaya wacha nikute na yeye, like, yeah, it's good. Like, I don't want to blame someone because yo my baby, mambo ni mingi, masaa ni machache. So that's how our day was, and we thank God for home. So this is us, me and my baby, traveling back to Nairobi. That was an amazing visit back at home. I was home for some time. I just recorded one day. So we were going back home using Ena Coach because we didn't have flight fee. Yes, and my baby made my journey so smooth because she never disturbed me. She only puked once, of which that was an improvement. So I'm really grateful, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your support. And I'm so sorry, guys, for getting lost for some time, but I already explained myself in the previous video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned. A lot more is coming because, guys, we're bringing you much videos, a lot of videos. And yeah, that's my baby sitting on her own seat, lakini msidhani ya mata. No. Anyway, so that's her, that's us, guys. No. Thank you so much.